Hello everyone, my name is Miguel and please be welcome to ALOFT. So today we're going to make a short visit from the inside of ALOFT, since our plant, the production, and of course also with our open office and open space. We're beginning right now with our open space. As you can see right now, we do not have too much persons around here. This is due our COVID policy. We just put some persons around with every different office in the factory, because over there usually we have the commercials, the designers, the marketing, the operations, and also our board. So, beginning with our tour in ALOFT, we have usually 4 different plants inside. The rubber soles, the injection soles, the finishing, and our newest factory, the rotatory, where we made some boots. As you can see in the beginning, we are in the ALOFT warehouse raw materials. We have here some TPUs, TR, rubber components. We do not have so much material in-house. We have deals with some suppliers that bring us 1 week, 2 weeks early in the material in the ALOFT. Here is our lab. Our lab is where everything begins. We analyze your data sheets, we make the formulations, we make also some trials, some abrasion tests, ESD, anti-statics, several tests like colors, and we begin the production of the rubber soles. The raw materials go in this bumpery, this big bumpery. The raw material is going to mix, goes into that open cylinder where we put the color, some technical sheets of material, then goes to this barrel when it cuts so several pieces of rubber, and beginning to the production of the soles. The production of the soles is in this press. We have 2 molds in this press. The molds is around 165 degrees, and that temperature and the cycle time is controlled by an automate that controls all of our rubber presses. Our presses, we can make monocolor outfall, or we can make bicolor outfall. It all depends on kind of technical soles that we need to present. Anti-statics, ESD, abrasions, and so on. So, now we are into our second plant. Our second plant we call the injection part. This injection, we make outfalls, but sometimes we make some technical pieces, other kind of supplies, some kind of technical sheets that our customer needs. Usually we make this kind in TPU, some kind of TRs, but basically TPU production. In this area we have here our maintenance. In the maintenance we make several works, especially some mold repairs. We do not make any kind of molds, we just repair them. We have some partners who make their molds, we not make molds. As you can see, something important here is in every machine we have these granulators. So in every injection, the pieces that is not injected in the outsole, we can put it inside of this granulator, the waste, and go re-inject it again in the next injection outsole. In that way, we can make a fulfilled commitment of environment and all the wastes, and we guarantee that all the material we use and we don't make any wastage. So, right now we arrived on our, as I call, the third plant. The third plant we call the finishing. The finishing is where all the production of the rubber soles and the injection soles comes. We make several works like painting, cleaning, and everything. We're going to make the packaging, the assembly, and the expedition. In this kind of works, we can make some special treatments like paintings, some special effects. We take care of some technical pieces, as I told you, that we're not only outsourced, we can also make some technical pieces, and we make all the labels that will be in your data sheets that you need. So right now, to continue our journey, we are going to our new factory. Our new factory, we call it rotatory. It was built and made and finishing during the COVID time. Meanwhile, between these two factories, we have here a very important process. This process is every piece of material that is not rendered inside granulators came here to these bigger granulators, and we make it again so we can re-inject all that process again. So all the raw material that we need can be reconsumed. So right now we're entering the new factory. The new factory is the raw material warehouse. Raw material arrives, is put in their place, is analyzed, and then when it goes to the plant production, comes here into this automatic feeding system. This automatic feeding system, you put the big bag, and there are some dead pipes. There comes with a vacuum pump over there. The vacuum pipes put the material directly in this machine. Right now we have three machines with 8 stages and one machine with 6 stages. Right now we are producing these boots, the other are making samples for other customers. When you finish this production, these boots came to this finish line, just like the outside. This finish line is prepared and then to make also all the finishing and all the requirements that the customers needs. We also have here our engineering departments, all the persons. Right now, when all these boots are finished, they are already prepared to be assembled. We have our components, and then we have, of course, the warehouse. So, this factory, we just build them very high, kind of 10 meters high, so we can put as much as we can stock in-house. We have a quite big stock of finished products, and then we go into delivery exactly when our customers needs. This expedition, it's made over this part. When we need or when we have the full truck, we just prepare, we make the FIFO organization, we put the boots, the pallets ready to ship, and over here we make the expedition. Here is where the trucks are being. We can put our pallets, and in the backyard, this is the parking where our employees can put their cards. And so, I hope you have enjoyed it. Be welcome. See you.